Hello Africa, subscribe to Lifestyle by RNA.
Hi guys, so you can see that I'm really sweating. I scrubbed my bathroom and my toilet to manage and clean up my room because my room was totally in a mess. Really in a mess. And I laid my bed. And after taking a shower, head to the salon to touch my hair yesterday to release my hair. I wanted to retouch my hair myself, but I realized that I don't have the mixing bowl and other things that I need apart from having the retouch cream itself and all that. So I decided that then in the salon I was saving some coins because in Dansuman, if you want a good salon and you want to retouch your hair, it's from 40 cedis going. It's expensive here. It's expensive as compared to other areas. I thought of saving that 40 cedis and doing something else. I am going to spend it. I have no option. But done bathing, we take it from there and we take it to the salon. From the salon, we come here back. And then today, your girl is going to do a video. Vlogging video. So much juicy news for you guys. I can't wait to tell you, and I know that you also can't wait to hear this because the news are hot, they are juicy. And I'm back again. I'm back from taking my shower. How do I look, guys, after the shower? It's been a month since I really went through my skincare routine. But anyway, your girl's skin is still glowing. Oh, I'm alive. I haven't been really consistent in my skincare routine. After taking my bath, I'm feeling my skin to dress up. And one thing, guys, if you know that after bathing you're going to walk under the sun a lot, avoid pomading your body. Especially when you know that your pomade doesn't protect your skin from the sun. Avoid it and don't pomade your face. Just leave your face out. Right now, I'm not going to pomade my face because after the salon, I'm coming to do a makeup. I'm just going to go straight ahead to search for a dress to wear, get something to take, and then we take it from there. Bye, guys. Hi, Royal. So I'm heading towards the salon to retouch my hair like I said in my previous video. Yes, and the sun is really scorching. As if I knew that the sun was going to scorch. That's why I didn't pomade myself. See what I've been saying? So I didn't pomade my face, I didn't pomade my body. I just used shea butter, the natural one, which we call it nguto, to just smear it on my leg just to prevent it from creasing out. And I'm going to, I don't know where I'm going to, but I know I'm going to a salon, and I hope to get a very good salon to retouch my hair because the last time I went to a salon, oh boy, it was bad. The problem here is that they are very nice, they are very expensive. Yes, that's the thing about it. And the ones that are not really nice too, they charge too as well. So it's better you get the nice ones and get your hair done. Yes, so I'm not going to take the process walking to the place because the way the sun is scorching, doing a vlog about me heading to the salon it's going to be tiring. To the salon, we take it from there.
God's kid on the tune. Kid on the tune.
Hi Royal, so I'm back from the salon and they did well. Sitting down for so many hours. Ghana salon, they waste time. If you don't dedicate your day for it, you will never get your hair done. You get there and go and sit there as if Charlie, time is no money. So back to business. I'm back and I'll get prepared soon and I'll start the vlog for today. Today I'm going to vlog, so you guys should encourage me. And also leave your comments below of what you think about my hairstyle. I'll style it myself. That's why I didn't allow her to style it. Yes, I'll style my own hair. So yeah, I don't know, but it looks like my hair has come on. My hair has come on. Oh, trimming it off the last time. I thought the hair would not come because the way I've been playing with my hair, dear, it's so sad. But anyway, my hair still loves me and it came for me to even retouch it. So we take it from when I'm done preparing. Once again, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing, liking, commenting helps my channel to grow. So please, you cannot just come to my page and just watch my video by not subscribing. Who taught you that? Subscribe. And to my old subscribers, thank you for supporting. I love you guys. It's bye for now. Peace.